Welcome to my channel. What is the reason behind moisture inside containers? One of the reasons is that container gaskets has not been repaired properly. An inspector must check for cuts or losing. On the other hand, if top rails and panel work has not been performed correctly, this may invite moisture in the container. But what if the container is sound and repaired correctly, but still getting moisture inside it? Let's talk about how to prevent condensation in the cargo containers. It may cause great loss of the company goods if not stopped. Most common ways to prevent water moisture inside containers are: number 1. Dehumidifiers. Number 2. Use of desiccant bags. Number 3. Install insulation. Number 4. Improve ventilation. Consider dehumidifiers. If you need to learn how to stop condensation in a shipping container that's used for storage, consider a dehumidifier. If your shipping container has access to a strong power source, a dehumidifier can be used to suck the moisture from the air. Keep in mind that you'll need to regularly empty the dehumidifier of water or set up a hose system that can plumb the collected moisture back out of the container. Desiccant bags are used to absorb the humidity in a shipping container, and can be hung from the ceiling and along the walls to help reduce the moisture in the air. As the desiccant traps moisture, it reduces the dew point temperature, preventing condensation from forming on the walls of the container. Improve insulation. Insulating your shipping container can greatly reduce the amount of moisture in the air and prevent container rain. Container insulation can keep the contents of your cargo warmer than the dew point, which ultimately prevents extreme temperature differences that lead to condensation. Improve ventilation. Proper ventilation can reduce condensation by equalizing interior temperatures with exterior temperatures. Ventilation funnels warm, moist air out of the container, while outside air with the same ambient temperature is drawn in. When interior temperatures are nearly equal to exterior temperatures, moisture is reduced. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe.